Hello and welcome to Plant Crafted Pantry. Today we are making a foaming sugar scrub. I'm starting off by measuring out 20 grams of cocoa butter into a glass measuring cup, along with 20 grams of shea butter, 40 grams of apricot oil, 20 grams of BTMS, and 8 grams of cetyl alcohol. Then I will place that into a saucepan filled with water over medium heat and let it melt, stirring occasionally. Once everything is melted, I will take it off the heat, set it on a towel, and let it cool for a few minutes. And here's what it looks like after about 10 to 15 minutes. It has thickened up slightly. To that, I'm going to add 40 grams of decyl glucoside and stir that together, and then add 4 grams of Optifen Plus, which is a preservative, 4 grams of vitamin E oil, and 2 to 4 grams of fragrance or essential oils. Here I'm using a Midnight Vanilla fragrance oil. Mix that all together, and then we'll add 240 grams of sugar. I'm using cane sugar here. Mix that in, and then it's ready to pour into a storage container. I'm just reusing a plastic container from a previous product I had so I can keep it in the shower. And here is our finished scrub. It will foam up a bit as you use it and mix it with water, which makes it easier to rinse off, and it will leave your skin nice and soft. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you next time. Bye.